Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your policy with State Farm, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your policy with State Farm, start by gathering your policy details. Make sure you have your policy number, personal identification, and any associated account information ready. Next, decide whether you want to cancel your policy online, over the phone, or in person. If you choose to cancel online, log into your State Farm account on their official website. Navigate to the Manage Policies section of your account. Select the policy you wish to cancel. Click on the cancellation option and follow the prompts to complete the process. If you prefer to cancel over the phone, find the customer service number on the State Farm website. Call the number and be prepared to verify your identity. Inform the representative that you wish to cancel your policy. They will guide you through the necessary steps and confirm the cancellation process. If you choose to go in person, locate your nearest State Farm office. Visit the office during business hours and bring your policy details with you. Speak with an agent about your wish to cancel. They will assist you in completing the cancellation and provide any final paperwork. Once your policy is canceled, keep a record of any confirmation or cancellation number provided. Lastly, consider reviewing any potential refunds or final bills related to your policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.